Okay guys, welcome back. Thanks for taking the time to tune in. So I'm going to tell you is a wee merger pattern, like a bit of a yellow word if you like, a merger. Now the hook and the vise is a Kamasan B100 in size 12. Tie these down, big as a 10, down to a size 14. Now I'm just going to catch my thread in, a couple of mil behind the eye of the hook. Working my thread down, remove the waste tag of thread. I'm just going to bring my thread back up, sort of way to where I started. Now the rib, you can use a small black wire, you can use the thread, colour the thread in black. However, I'm going to use a single strand of the black micro flash. It's nice on this wee dressing. So I'm just going to come around with a pinching loop, just put it in, and then I'm just going to work my thread down. Now I'm not putting any tension on the flash because I'll just pigtail on me if I do that, just to there, and then we'll just put this over the back. Now to give an impression of a shock, these are just white cock hackle fibres. Now you can use any colour you like. I just like white, just to give that the impression of the hatchet insect and the shock. Now the length, I just want the tail to be less the length of the body. So just come around with a pinching loop here, and then just take a couple of turns just to catch in the fibres. Just have a wee check, make sure we're looking okay, and then I'm going to work my thread up. I just want to keep the white cock hackle fibres on top. Straight the whole way up to there, and then come in and clip away the waist. Now I want to build a taper into the body, so I'm going to come back down, sort of way halfway back up, back down again, a couple of mil, and then back up to that point there. Right. Just keep the tension in the thread, just to 1.5 hitch. And we'll bring up a rib. Now before I do that, I just want to take a wee lick of super glue, just a wee tiny bit. You don't want it to bead. See, like that, just take that off. And then the rib, I don't know, 4 or 5 turns. It's really up to yourself. Now, I'll do a couple of turns onto the hook here. Catch this in, work my thread down to the eye. I'm going to fold it back, just for a wee bit of added security. And let's just tape a body that we get with the black micro flash. Just going to be like a wax onto the thread. Now on a size 12, 2 feathers would do. However, this is 3 CDC plumes, and my take on this is that you're better to have more, because you can always take away. You can't add on. Plus, if you're out in an Irish log and you're fishing in a decent wave, you want a brief few CDC plumes on the fly. Now, just have a wee check. Just get everything sitting. So we're happy with that. A couple of turns in front. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to leave it all on. So we're just going to lift the plumes, come around the back, and then we're going to post. Now, I'm not looking to actually create a post too far up the plumes. and come back down and being nice and tight with a thread here, and then just finish off at the back. And then just to finish off, this is some of the Fritz and Flash rabbit with the UV through it. Now this is the grey, so not looking to put it on too tight here because I want to flick some of it out. So a couple of turns at the back, bring the, just tighten up a wee tad here, take another turn at the back, and then turn at the front. And just as you're taking your turns, just stroke the fibres back nice and tight. Then we'll just come in with our whip finishing tool. 3-turn whip finish now before we tighten up. Best to come in now just with a wee like a varnish onto the thread. Pull that through, and then come in and trim away the thread. Now at this point I want to leave these in, so I'm just going to come in from above, and you're sort of coming in level with the back of the hook. Don't want to trim the CDC, so about half the length of the wing or so, and that there will literally float like a cork for you, because the stems at the back, slough these out, the thicker stems will help that float. And like I say, if the fish become fussy, you can always bring a feather out and trim it away, but my view is you're always best to have more feathers on the fly in relation to CDC, rather than not having enough, because obviously you can't add on. So there you go guys, that's just a wee yellow oil emerger. As always, many thanks for taking the time to view the video. I just want to take this opportunity to wish you all a Merry Christmas to you and your families, and I hope you have a real good Christmas holidays. And just also just to thank you all, everybody who subscribed up to date, for subscribing and just supporting the channel, and thanks for all those people that have left comments underneath the videos. Until the next time guys, take care of yourselves and each other, and all being well, I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.